Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to make video collage in CapCut. To make video collage in CapCut, launch open the CapCut application on your mobile device first. Now tap on New Project at the top of the screen. Choose your video from the device's gallery and tap on Add at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, this will take you to your editing timeline. From the bottom of the screen, tap on the Overlay button. Now tap on Add Overlay and select your second video. Click on Add at the bottom right to add the video. Now you have added the next video in your timeline as well. Simply go ahead and pinch and drag the video on the screen. Resize and reposition the video. You can arrange them side by side. Repeat the step to add more overlays. Tap on the Add Overlay button and select another video. Pinch and drag the video like you previously did and place it on your desired location within the screen. Make sure that the videos that you've added are the same length for a balanced collage. Simply go ahead and drag the edges of your video as shown on the screen, and after you are done, you can then go ahead and add effects, stickers to decorate your collage, and finally tap on Export at the top right once done with the edits. And that way you will be able to create a video collage in CapCut. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.